Hello again, this is Doug, the 2-Minute Gardener. Today we're going to talk about glass fences versus cable railing. So you have a backyard, it's got a view. You want to make sure you enjoy that view, but you want to stay safe. How do you want to preserve the view while maintaining safety? And your two basic choices of doing that are either a glass fence or what's called a cable railing. So we're going to look at the two right now. So a quality glass fence, as you can see, is going to cost about 120 to 150 per linear foot. So if you multiply that by 10 or 20, you can kind of figure out how much that's going to cost for your particular setup. And the reason they are expensive is that they're just a lot more work to install them. Now, sometimes you can install them over a wood frame like you saw there. Other times you can mount it on top of an existing retaining wall and do it like that. And the nice thing about those two systems is it gives you the flexibility to maintain the view while also maintaining a solid bottom. If you live someplace like these folks where occasionally rattlesnakes will come up out of the canyon, you want to have a nice solid bottom to the fence so you can maintain that safe in your backyard. So let's go now, jump ahead to cable railing. Cable railing in general is going to be about $30 less per linear foot than a glass fence. You still maintain the view, and trust me, with this backyard, the view is going to get a lot better, but right now we just have to make the balcony safe. And the other nice thing about a cable railing is that you do not have to clean glass. So it's a little less maintenance than a glass fence, but something can roll through it. So if you have kids or a ball, something could roll right through that and off and down to it. So cable railings are nice because they're pretty easy to install. And if you wanted to expand that patio, you can also remove it as well. So it gives you a little flexibility. So those are the pluses and minuses of a glass fence versus a cable railing. Well, that's about all the time we have for today. If you've enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to get more of my garden videos. Until next time, this is Doug, the 2-Minute Gardener, saying thanks for watching.